Turn off and tag the air conditioning breaker before cleaning any internal components so you never forget that critical safety step. When cleaning an air conditioning unit, start by verifying the system is powered down at the main panel and then isolate the specific breaker for the unit. Test with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm no live voltage is present because breakers can sometimes feed multiple circuits. Remove filters and wash or replace them following the manufacturer instructions and allow them to dry completely before reinstalling to prevent mold growth. Clean fins and coils using a soft brush and a foaming coil cleaner applied evenly, then rinse gently with low pressure. Avoid high pressure washing, which can bend fins and reduce heat transfer efficiency. Clear the condensate drain and trap by flushing with a mixture of water and white vinegar or a manufacturer-recommended coil cleaner. A slow or clogged drain leads to water damage and system shutoffs. Lubricate fan motor bearings only if the unit manual specifies a serviceable type and use the correct oil grade. Many modern motors are permanently lubricated and adding oil can cause damage. Reassemble panels securely and restore power, then run a full performance check by observing system startup, listening for abnormal noises, and verifying temperature differential across the evaporator to ensure proper operation. Common mistakes include forgetting where you left the breaker after powering down, which can leave the system live when you think it is off. Solve this by placing the breaker handle in a visible safe spot, keeping it with your tools, or slipping it in your pocket. Another frequent issue is using too much water pressure when rinsing coils, which bends fins and reduces system efficiency. Use a low-pressure spray or a fin comb to straighten bent fins instead. People also skip testing for residual voltage and assume the breaker is the only safety step, which risks electric shock. Always verify with a non-contact voltage tester at the unit before touching wiring or components. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guidance tailored to home maintenance tasks like air conditioning cleaning. We also host a discussion community where we, our neighbors, and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find work through our listings.